Welcome, I'm filming the Xiaomi 11 Lite, and today I will show you how to enable the Talkback option on this device. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here we'll navigate down to, let's see, I believe it's additional settings. Yep, then accessibility. And in here, let's see, vision, Talkback, and simply toggle it on.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen.
Now I'm muted just so I can actually talk right now. So obviously this will read this entire thing as it normally should. And as you also will probably realize, tapping on things doesn't actually do what you're used to now. So you need to double or tap once to select it and then double tap it to confirm it. Additionally, if you have a content that can scroll up or down, you see this won't work anymore. So what you need to do is use two fingers to scroll up and down. And additionally, you also have this Talkback is on, press and hold the volume up and the volume down for 3 seconds to turn it off. I believe the turn off is not actually like to turn it off. I think it's suspend instead. So when you reboot the device, it will turn on again. And anyway, so two fingers to scroll. Using also gesture navigation, you can do it with two fingers. And anything else, as an example, if you want to turn it off physically, you would have to tap on the little toggle right here, then double tap on it again, then select stop and double tap on it again. So now it is off. And additionally, whatever you will select, it is basically reading everything that is selected, any kind of words in there. So you're aware if you are visually impaired, so you know what is selected, and all you need to do is just double tap on it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.